In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your eFootball account to KONAMI ID. First, open the eFootball game. Tap on the option Extras in the top right corner. Tap on Support. Tap on Link Data at the top left corner. Tap on the option Link KONAMI ID to continue this process. Now you will be redirected to your default browser. Tap on Proceed. Now tap on the blue option that says Register email address and password as new user. Now fill out the details that has been asked in this page. Enter the email that you're going to link to the eFootball account. Now type in a strong password to prevent your account from getting hacked. Give the tick in that option, then click on Next. Click on Agree. Now a 6-digit code will be sent to your email account. Type in that code. Give the 2 ticks to continue the process and click on Accept. Now your Efootball account has been linked to KONAMI ID, and that's it.